Today we're going to talk about how we installed a new camera system into and around an Airstream.
Called the Furrion Vision S. Again, this is the part of the S system, Furrion S. This is the rear camera. And with this, it also is powered by the running lights. And you can adjust the angle of that camera up or down 8 degrees each way. At this particular camper, this seems to be the angle furthest back that you can go, and that's the scope, and it also will go out 20 feet beyond that behind you. This one is a side camera. It replaces a running light with a running light attached with a camera. Anywhere on the side of the camper. It is powered by the running lights, and it has a day and night vision side camera to video, or so you can look at your blind spot on both sides of the camper. In this case, the customer wanted it mounted on the left side forward of the middle for his particular needs for his blind spot on his truck. And so you can mount it again anywhere on generally the middle to the front, even at the very back of your blind spot on either side of the camper. Again, powered by the running lights, day and night vision. This is a patio camera. This gentleman had it installed above his entry door, and it is powered by the light, the patio light, or the door light, if you will. You can see the blue light on the camera coming on. And to show you, here, this is the rear. This is the monitor that the system is compatible with, up to 4 cameras. So you hit that and you hit the door, and it shows us, see me waving? You might want to stand a little further that way. See, it shows us looking at the camera as if you were looking out the door, or to the left of the door, or towards the front of the camper. And that's another feature, that you can have this inside your coach, and you can actually monitor who might be either out on the side of your camper or is knocking at your door. Okay, so now we're looking at the driver's side, or the left side of the trailer, looking at the wall in this particular case. This is the right side, and you can see my scaffold down against the building there. So you can tap and choose which one you'd like to look at. There again is the door, and here again is the rear. You can tap it again and push view all, and it gives you all 4 angles at one time. Your entry door, the rear, the left side, and the right side.